The Sea Grant Great Lakes Fresh Fish Finder website showcases hardworking, local fishers and farmers in communities around the Great Lakes. Search by entering a fish species in the search bar. Or use the filters to search for things like product type, including bait fish, feed fishing, fish for stocking, food fish, or ornamentals. Explore businesses that harvest fish from our valuable waters in the Great Lakes region, and farmers who raise them on land-based aquaculture farms. Dive into each business, check out their contact information, products offered, and more. Ready to find fresh fish? Connect with your local producers today by visiting freshfishfinder.org.